What it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever...
Hi, so today I'm here with a member and we are showing you our new shop and moving in. I've been moved in for a few days now, and yesterday we were here and I made a little video, but then I saw that my recording failed, so that's pretty sad. As you can see, these are the cars. Daytona is going to go over there, and my friend's touring also because we're going to do a motor swap on that, but more about that later. And here I'm going to put a lift, and we're cleaning it up and making it ours. Here's our little workbench with my little turbo. Yeah. Got rims, got stuff. So this is my cousin's Mercedes. This is my daily, ex-daily. You know this one. This is the drift car. For the people who don't know, we bought this car dirt cheap and it's running and driving now. But we're going to pull the motor and put another motor in it because we think that the motor is bad. And then we all know this car, and it's been sitting outside for 2 days, and look, very nice, very nice, very nice. So yeah, we got a little toilet. This is the shop. Right, so follow me. I'm going to show you a bit more around. So as I've told you previously, we're going to put a lift here, a bike lift there because in this corner, because I'm renting this place together with my cousin, and that's his car. This was his first car. This is a Mercedes 1.8 compressor. It has 163 horsepower stock. It's a nice car, but if you come closer, take a look. It has the right battery in it.
Nice, huh?
That's a BMW battery. Okay, so this was my first car. I've never shown you this car because I never had the chance to show you this. Very quickly, this is for you Americans that are watching, this is a 320i. They do not make this in America. This is a 2-liter 6-cylinder, an M52. They also made this in the M50, also 2-liter. It's a decent car. I had a few accidents with it. It's not the cleanest right now. But it's the purpose of the car is to fix it, put coilovers back on it, make it pretty again, make it show car. Then the drift car, we just took off the hood. I've shown you this in one video. We already drifted it once in a parking lot. It doesn't drift well, it drifts well, but we have some motor issues, but we're going to fix those. I'm probably going to pull the motor and put a 2-liter in it because I have a very good 2-liter at my house, and we're going to put a 2-liter in it and probably put a turbo on it because I have a very good turbo laying around, since we are going to turbo this, but with a bigger turbo and a bigger engine. This is going to be 2.5 now instead of a 2-liter, and the 2-liter that was going in this is now going in that, because I want to make this car fast. And that motor we are going to probably rebuild-ish, because this is the aluminum 2.5, the motor from a 323i, but it has bad compression on cylinder number 5, well, I think, because it runs weird. And it smells like burnt oil, so It's not good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to work on this car and we'll see you.
What it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're